everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and click the like button at the end of this video. Today I will be making Ankara bias tape face masks. You can see them here. When you look through the video, you see some of the face masks I have here, and I will be making them with this bias tape. These are some options for those of you who don't like to wear face masks with elastic, because sometimes when I wear them, it tends to leave mark at the back of my ear. That's when I came up with this. So if you want to know how it's done, keep on watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Today we'll be making a face mask with bias tapes. This mask is no elastic face mask, because for some reason whenever I wear face mask, it tends to leave pain at the back of my ears. So that's why I came up with this. So in order to know how to make this, keep on watching. So all you need for this tutorial is your Ankara fabric. We'll be making it today with this Ankara fabric. And you also need your scissors, your tape measure, and also the bias tape. This is what the bias tape look like. This is already made. For those of you who don't know what is bias tape, this is it. But if you don't have the already made one, you can make yourself one. You can use your fabric as well and make one. Fold it and sew it up. You get something for your face mask. So let's go straight to it. All you need now is to measure out 15 inches length of your fabric from your fabric, and 8 inches width. 15 inches length, 8 inches width. After measuring out your fabric, I already measured out my fabric here. You fold it like so. Look for the good side of the fabric will be inside, and fold it like this. When you fold like this, you use your tape measure to measure it. Take 3 inches from the left side of the fabric, the left side of the fold, and they place your pin and take it to the other end too, and place your 3 inches. The essence of making this is to give a space where you can insert your filter. If you need filter for this, you can insert one after making your mask. And also we will also use this space to turn it to the right side after sewing this. So I will take it now to my sewing machine and stitch it from here to here along the pin, and from this end to this end. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished stitching it down with my sewing machine. So at this stage, you have to, after stitching it down like so, you open it up from this space. Open it up and place it like so. Place it like this. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Open it up and put it like this. The way you stitch will be at the center. You see? Yes, place it like this. And at this point, you can use your iron to iron it down. Make it smooth and even. Make it smooth and iron these edges, edges down. So after ironing it down, you see, it looks well stretchy and nice, even. So after this, you will insert your, if you are using elastic at this point, you insert your elastic. But today we are using a bias tape, and this bias tape measures 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches. So you insert this bias tape from through this opening. You see the opening? Insert your bias tape. Put it like so. You see? You put it inside. And put the other one inside at the other end too. When you put it, use your pin to hold it. That's why you have to get your pin. You need pins to hold your fabric together and make it easy for you to sew. When you have when you pin it down, everything is basically done. So you pin it like this and take the other one. You have to measure out 8.5 inches bias tape for the both end, for the left and right ear. So don't it's not just 8 inches, just 8 to 8.5 inches for the both side of your ears. So now place this one like so inside the way we did the other end, and use your pins to hold it together. Like this. You see how I pin them? All the bias tape should be inside. Or if you are using elastic, you have to put it inside. But today we are using bias tape. So I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch it from here to here, from this end to this end. I will come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, at this stage I finished stitching the both side. So we're gonna use this space, the space we left before. Through that space, we're gonna turn it to the good side. Yes. We turn it to the good side. At this point, you can use your iron if you want. It's optional. Use your iron to iron it down to make it nice and even. To make it stretch. So now I've finished ironing it. What we do now is we're gonna measure some inches in order to put pleats. Remember I told you this is a pleated face mask. So now measure an inch and put your pin it down. Measure another inch, 1 inch, and pin it down. Measure half an inch, and pin it down. Sorry, this pin is not good. Measure 1 meter, yes, another 1 meter, and pin it, 1 inch, and pin it down. Measure another half an inch, and pin it down. This will serve as a guide for your plate. And finally, measure another 1 inch and pin it down. These pins will serve as a guide when you are putting the plates. So you do the same thing at the other end. We do the same just as a guide when you are pleating. Both sides will be folding for you. So 1 inch, 1 inch, half inch, 1 inch, like so. Just take, I'll put the measurement in my description box. I'll put the whole measurement guide. Half an inch. Now, we place half an inch. So, yes, and another 1 inch. Another half an inch. And the 1 inch. That's it. This, like I said before, this will serve as a guide for you to put your pleats. So now, we're gonna start placing our pleats. Like the same way, see how 3 pleats. That's why I put all these pins. It will serve as a guide. So we're gonna start putting our pleats now. Sorry. So now we do like so. Take this to this pin, to this point. You see the pin will serve as the inside. You place it and use the pin to hold it. And hold this end too. And remove the pins. You see this point? And we go again like so. Take from here to here the next pin. You see? Like so. That's why you put the pin at the both end. It will help you to make it easier for you to put your pleats. And you are done. As simple as. And put the last pleat. And pin it down. We are almost done. After this is the pin is the only little hard work here. Once you place your pleats, as you can see, we are almost done. So I will take it now to my sewing machine. You can see. I will take it and stitch it like so at the both ends. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, at this stage, your face mask is ready. Your no elastic Ankara bias tape face mask is ready. You see? It's as easy as. So this is the end of our video. If you have any question about this video, please kindly ask your question and I'll be glad to reply to any of your questions, and do leave your comments. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.